finally I'm getting to Jack. It's been a little while, but hasn't even budged. I've opened the door, but he hasn't budged. But we'll see if he does when he knows that there's a rat coming his way. And it's a pretty, it's a big rat, because Jack is he's now eating jumbos. So he's a big boy, and like this is smaller than Jack's girth, trust me. And this is as big as our rats go here. Do you want a rat? I don't know. Oh, I'm hoping I've got the camera. I'm sort of gone. Do you want a rat? Oh, he's hissing. No, I don't want a rat. Well, he will when he realises what it is, I think. Ah, what is it? Boyo. No, I don't want you going that way. Personally, I didn't. No, it's over here. I personally didn't want him coming from the front way. I know that lighting is pretty terrible. There's a rat there. I want you to this way. Round this way. Round this way. Okay? Round this way. You silly Billy. He kind of went that way for a second, but no, not my hand, dude. It's over there. Oh, you're a bit slow, Jack. No, I haven't got it. Honestly, it's my hand here. The rat is way over there. Go look for it. Buddy, go look over there. Please. Can you go look for it over the other side? I swear. It's, here. Now that's my hand. Honest. You're missing the whole point of over there. Like, honestly, dude. No, I haven't got it. Hope you can see this. Like, the lighting is disaster. I can put this light on, actually, guys. Sorry. I didn't even think of this. There you go. Now you might be able to see him. Well, he'll be able to see me. No. Over there. Here. Look. Look at Dell. Oh. Okay. Look at Dell. There's, Are you going to eat it? Well, it'll fall off. It'll fall off. Can you see it? Surely. Surely? Now he wants to strike it. And I'm not letting him do it from... You know, they say carpets do like to hang down, but I've seen Jack just topple. And I don't want him to topple, personally. So let's just see what he'll do. Ah. Okay. Got it. But don't fall. Dude. Please don't fall. Get a grip with your tail, dude. Honestly. Don't go falling down on me. You right? Oh, I'm gonna keep her. Yeah. Yeah. Slowly. Slowly, dude. Slowly. You know, some people might think, you really don't need to do that, he'll be fine, he's a snake. He knows what he's doing better than what you know that he's doing. And you're probably absolutely 100% right. And but I worry. That's a long way for Jack to go kapump, and he has done it. Fortunately, only from here down, which wasn't as long a drop, but from there down is a long drop, and he would hurt himself. So there you go, just hanging there. And it'll be like, don't you dare go butt first. This is a jumbo. This is not a not a little one, Jack. Sorry. I'm sorry that I'm giggling. Oh goodness. Don't touch the rat's tail, Gay. Leave my rat's tail alone. He's such a funny guy, Jack. As I've said to you so many times. You know, he is a gentleman as well, and he's funny. He's such a good snake, he really is. And you know, even feed times, people go, oh, you know, how do you feed them another animal that was once a living animal? And you know, to many people, rats are, how we say, are cute. No two ways about it. Rats are cute, but for me, you know, this is life for a snake. They eat warm-blooded creatures. Well, pythons. These pythons do, and you know, mammal of some description, and I'm sure they'd eat a lizard or you know, if they were starving and so forth. But you know, that's why they go into chicken coops and eat chickens and so forth, because you know, they've got to eat, and we have got to feed them. And rats and chicks and quail, they will eat, not just rats. And Lily especially has eaten quail and chicks, and she eats mice, and they're smaller and even more cuter than a rat is. But you know, I don't feed them, of course. You know, they would die. So I understand nature and how that works, and that is how it works. So yeah, but Jack's, I don't think, game enough to let go of the rat, and he's probably figuring out, well, where do I go? You know, they say carpets love to hang and eat their prey, but I don't know if Jack's overly keen. Overly keen. Are you going to let go of the butt? Maybe. Do you think that you might let go of the butt there, dude? And no, don't try the butt end. Oh, you will. It's not that easy to eat butt first, though. Oh, good boy. That's a good boy. I'm glad you've figured that. Now this is going to be the even harder part for Jack, because he's not very good at finding the head at the best of times. And in that position, I don't know how to help you, dude. You know, you're heavy, aren't you? Hey? What are you going to do? Can I help you hold you up? Or can I hold the rat up? Oh. And you might think I'm mad, sticking my finger in there, my hand in there, when he's off a rat and is in feed mode, but I kind of see where he's at, and I can judge his mannerism. Is that the word for a snake? That he's more intent on that and going to eat the rat and not me. So I think I might just leave it there, guys, because we could be here till midnight at this particular stage. I'm hoping that he will figure it out and drop it and then pick it up again eventually. But he's like giving it a nice cuddle. That's what it looks like right now. So guys, you take care of yourself, take care of your family, and take care of your snakes, even if they're goofy, like Jack is. Ciao.